Are you passionate about words and storytelling? Do you have a keen eye for detail and a knack for putting together a compelling narrative? If so, a career as an editor might be the perfect fit for you. Step 1. Develop your writing skills. Good editors are also good writers, so start honing your craft by practicing writing in different styles and genres. Take writing courses and workshops to improve your skills and expand your knowledge. Step 2. Gain experience. Look for opportunities to gain practical experience in editing, such as internships, freelance projects, or volunteer work. Building a portfolio of your editing work will help showcase your abilities to potential employers. Step 3. Learn the tools of the trade. Familiarize yourself with editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro. Understanding how to use these tools effectively will make you a more efficient and effective editor. Step 4. Network with industry professionals. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other editors to build relationships and learn from those with more experience. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and help you stay current in the field. By following these steps and staying dedicated to your craft, you can work towards becoming a successful editor in the competitive world of media and content creation. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on pursuing a career in editing.